Guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're just going to be doing a get ready with me. I didn't really know what type of video to do, so I was like, what better video to do than just like a little get ready with me. I'm excited for this video because I'm going to be using the REM Beauty Wicked like palette, the Aussie Forest palette. So I'm really excited to be trying out that palette. So if you guys want to see my get ready with me, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Multitasker Concealer, the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. I was sick for like a little bit with like just like a cold. So that's why I wasn't filming videos or posting videos. I'm still a little bit getting over it. So if I sound a little like stuffy, that's why. So yeah, that's why I wasn't posting, but I'm back now. Like I said last video, I just keep leaving and coming back and leaving and coming back, but once I came back, like I said, I got sick. So yeah, now I'm back. So yeah, I'm gonna set my concealer with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Now let's get into this beautiful palette. This is what it looks like. I'm so excited because doesn't that just look so beautiful? The names are on the back, but I'm not going to be like flipping it back and forth and like reading the names and all that stuff. So I'm just going to tell you like I'm going to be using the last shade in the second row and the second shade in the last row and all that good stuff because I don't feel like flipping it back and forth. So I'm going to take a M504 brush and we're going to take the second to last shade in the second row. And we're just going to use that as our transition shade. We're going to put that on our outer corner, but we're also going to blend it into our crease. I haven't used anything from REM Beauty, so that's also why I'm so excited because first of all, I love Ariana Grande. I really do. I'm sorry. And this is like the first product that I have of REM Beauty. So I'm just excited, and also this palette is beautiful. I love Wicked. It's just like a perfect mix of everything that I'm into these days. I'm going to take the last shade in the second row, which is like a darker brown, and put that into our outer corner and halfway into our crease. I'm going to take the Morphe M330 brush. I'm going to take the first shade in the first row, which is like a light pink shade, and just take that and put it like kind of under my brow bone just to blend out those darker colors and to add some like pinkiness into the eyeshadow. And I'm going to take an M441 brush and I'm going to take the first shade in the second row, which is like a dark green shade, and basically just put that on our outer corner and blend it halfway into the crease. Oh, I love that shade. It's really pretty. Okay, I don't know which shimmer shade I want to take because they're all so gorgeous. Like, I don't know. I think I'm going to take the third shade in the second row, which is like this green shade right here. I'm gonna take that on this Juvia's Place big flat brush. We're gonna take that and just put that on our lid. It's not showing up that well. Maybe I need to wet it. I'm not okay. Let me tell you guys something about me. I don't use my finger for eyeshadows because I have big behemoth fingers. So if I was to like I mean, I guess they don't look that big right now, but if I was to like use my finger and put it on my eyelid, I feel like I won't be able to like see where I'm putting it. So that's why I don't really like to use my finger. Yeah, this isn't really showing up. So let's use the second shade. Oh yeah, that's pretty, which is like a gold. I feel like I need to do something different. Like, I don't know. Like, let's take the silver shade and put it on the outer. And let's put it under our brow bone. I'm going to take the third shade in the first row, which is like this pretty pink and purple shade, and just put that over the gold and the silver. Just see. Okay. Now we're gonna do a wing eyeliner. Okay, so now we're gonna do our base. For primer, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Matte and Fix Primer, which I already put on. And now for foundation, we're gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 335. I am being lazy and I don't feel like getting up to wet a beauty sponge, so we're just gonna do an all brushes makeup look today. So I'm just blending that out with this Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number or a name, which is mad annoying, I'm sorry, but yeah. So it's Wicked for Good is coming out on Peacock on the 20th, I believe. So let's just say this is in honor of that. Because I'm a little late using the palette. But for concealer, we're going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6 for under my eyes. So I'm going to put some on our nose, our forehead, and our chin, and our Cupid's bow. I'm going to blend out the forehead and the chin with the brush that we used for the foundation. While we let that sit on our eyes, we're going to take this ColourPop bronze stick in the shade Shell Beach and just cream bronze with that. We're blending that out with the M242 brush. And now to blend out my under eye, we're going to use this this Real Techniques contour brush. The Rimmel London pressed powder. I want to powder puff and just set everywhere that I put the concealer, especially under the eyes. Now for liquid blush, we're going to take the Juvia's Place blush in the shade Rosy Posy. I'm gonna take this Morphe brush. It's basically like the foundation brush that I use, but it's a little bit slanted. Like I said, it doesn't have, some of them have numbers and names, some of them don't. I think the newer ones do. This is like an older one, so it doesn't, which is again annoying, but okay. Let's relax, okay? I'm gonna take the foundation brush and just go over the blush a little bit because it's a little bit harsh. Now for under our eye, we're gonna take an M301 brush and we're gonna take the second to last shade in the second row, which was the first shade that we used, and we're just gonna pop that under our eye. I don't think I want to do anything really like bright or anything under there. Actually, we're gonna take some of that pink shimmer shade, the third shade, and pop that under our eye. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Also gonna take some of that and put it on our nose as like a little bit of a highlight, and our Cupid's bow. Okay, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. This is the finished look. I love it so much. It's giving fairy, it's giving ethereal, is that how you say that? Vibes. I just love it so much. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. Sorry if I'm like a little like it's because like I said, I'm still a little bit stuffy. So yeah, I definitely recommend this palette. It's beautiful. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but hopefully they still have it. But I love it, and I'm really excited to do more looks with this palette. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please subscribe because I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.